Hey guys, guess what? We're going on a trip. So today's video, it's gonna be what I'm packing in my bag and can we fit it all in there. I have a lot of stuff and I have the smallest backpack. So my flight was very cheap. I'm flying with Flair. Hopefully everything goes well. But I just realized that I don't have a carry-on or anything. I only have a personal item. So that's a backpack. And it has to fit into this thing right here. I think I'm screwed. Anyways, if I buy luggage, it'll cost me more than what the flight costed me, so I don't feel like it's worth it. And it's only a 3-day trip, so how much do I really need? We're gonna try to fit it into a backpack. If not, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we will figure it out. The trip is in 1 week, and I'm super excited. So, the items I need are... Don't mind that rip. My dog ate through it. Okay, so the first thing on the list is going to be camera equipment, and there's a lot of it. So first we have the tripod, then we got the Insta invisible stick, the Insta 360, charging ports, vintage camera of course, GoPro, charger, chest mount, portable charger, extra batteries, case cover, SD card holder, Polaroid camera, GoPro case, iPhone charger. So we need to squeeze all this camera equipment as much as we can into this bag, and that will be our first problem. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. So camera equipment, I'm gonna need my glasses, contacts, and this. We'll try to all fit it. AirPods is a must. Hairbrush, mascara, gloves, balaclava, snowboard socks, nice and thick. Huge socks, just regular socks, ski goggles, a long sleeve, big sweater to go on top, bathing suit, PJs, jeans, and leggings. And then I could wear something on the flight. We got hand warmers just in case the camera dies. We could put hand warmers on our pocket and warm it up. And I was going to bring a mini backpack around so I can carry all my camera equipment while I'm walking around. But a backpack's not going to fit in the backpack, so I have this small little tote bag. And I will walk around with this if I have to. Then I need my wallet, which is in the car at the moment, and toothbrush and toothpaste. I'm going to try to find a mini travel one, but for now we're going to try to fit this into this, which is going to be hard, but we are going to try. And I think we should try with the clothes first. I want to use this small pocket for little things. I sized the bag, and if this pops out too much, it's not going to fit. I have to be careful on what I put in here. My pajamas fit in there, and we want to fold them up as small as possible. And the shorts. I'm pretty sure I fit this camera in here, and maybe bathing suit bottoms. Then it may stick out too much. So this sweater, it also can't weigh more than 15 pounds.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me?
I also have to bring my huge snowsuit. You guys probably have seen it by now. But I have to bring my huge snowsuit. So I'm gonna wear it on the plane and hopefully that all works out because I need it for my trip. And if I can't go with it, then I'm screwed. And I kind of also want to try to fit a jacket underneath my snowsuit because if not, I'm going to have to walk around with the snowsuit the whole 3 days and I don't want to do that. So I hope nothing happens with the flight, like delayed or anything. We have a car rented, we have a beautiful Airbnb, and we have a lot of activities planned. So I'm super excited, and I'm super excited to bring you guys along with me. I haven't really been on a plane before. The only time I have was like a 45-minute flight to Toronto, and I was really young, so this is my first flight that I paid for and that I'm going to experience with my lovely fiance. And yeah, if anything, I could throw a couple things in his bag because guys don't pack as much as girls, and I'm bringing way too many cameras. He doesn't have that problem. So, we're leaving in a week. So yeah, the only thing I need now, I also need a deodorant in this bag, but I probably can do that. So I do need a small toothbrush, toothpaste, and deodorant. And I think that's it. Other than my snowsuit and charger. I hope I don't forget anything. These I could put in my jacket pocket and bring on the airplane. This is a 4-hour flight, so we're gonna watch movies or listen to music. But I am super excited, and I hope you guys like this video. I know it was short, but we packed my bag together. Usually I overpack, but this time I literally couldn't, so we did it. If you guys have heard of Flair, they actually have really good deals. So I got my flight round trip for $97, but without luggage, of course. And then if I were to bring it like just baggage, it'd be $50 there, $50 back. That's not worth it. And you all know when you go somewhere you bring back souvenirs, so packing my bag to come back home is gonna be a struggle. So stay tuned for these trips coming up, and have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Bye.
Chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through.